इंडिया का यूथ एम्बिशियस है, एस्पिरेशनल है और उनके पास मल्टीपल सोर्सेस ऑफ इनकम भी है। पर एक सवाल है, क्या वो फाइनेंशियली प्रिपेयर्ड या फाइनेंशियली अवेयर है? सो व्हाई नॉट जस्ट आस्क डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम देम। So do you plan your finances or mostly go with the flow?
I do plan like most of the time.
Most of the time, ठीक है। Slow.
I plan it.
I usually plan my finances. Yeah. What about?
Yeah, so
लोग साथ चलता हूँ मैं।
लोग के साथ ही चलते हैं।
आपको ऐसा लगता है कि यंग जनरेशन जो है वो अवॉइड करती है ऐसे बजटिंग करना या प्लानिंग करना या फिर ऐसे ही स्पेंड कर देती है?
नहीं, आजकल यंग जनरेशन ही ज़्यादा प्लानिंग कर रही है।
उनका ये होता है कि मेरे हिसाब से मेरे पास है तो मैं कर सकता हूँ। वो प्लानिंग नहीं करते हैं, वो इमीडिएटली बेसिस पे हाँ उनको ये चाहिए तो चाहिए, आगे के नहीं सोचते हो।
It's
Really
education. If you talk about insurance, if I talk about mutual funds, what I feel they're not educated about the pros and cons.
I feel that so a lot of people from childhood they haven't been taught budgeting. I think it's something that should be taught in school. It should be a part of the curriculum. And I feel that especially the Gen Zs are really good at getting their way with things.
Yeah.
And I feel that whatever they ask for, they get it. So they don't know how to manage money. So I feel this is the reason why people avoid, especially our generation avoids the budgeting and planning stuff.
You suddenly get 1 lakh rupees. So would you spend it, save it or invest it?
Investing,
Invest it.
anything.
I will like invest and spend both, as I belong to the finance. So I invest 50% of the income into the like a mutual funds or any fund, and rest of the amount I will enjoy that as being like a young guy. Invest.
Invest. किस टाइप का इन्वेस्टमेंट
FD.
मैं उसमें इन्वेस्ट करूँगा
इन्वेस्ट करोगे? कहाँ पे इन्वेस्ट करेंगे?
म्यूचुअल फंड्स वगैरह में या एफडी में अच्छी रिटर्न है।
I would probably invest it, put it into mutual funds, or maybe I'll put that into stocks.
I mean, yeah, probably invested into soil.
Okay. What's the biggest financial mistake you think young people make today?
Impulsive buying.
Impulsive.
नहीं, ऐसा तो कुछ
सब बढ़िया चलता है।
सब बढ़िया।
Not investing at the right age and not having insurance at the right age.
I think they spend more on their selves rather than like investing like future perspective से आप इन्वेस्ट करना है और
आपके दिमाग में मतलब अगर मैं लाइफ इंश्योरेंस बोलूँ तो क्या पहली चीज़ क्या आती है?
पहली चीज़ मेरे दिमाग में आती है ज़िंदगी के साथ भी, ज़िंदगी के बाद भी।
ठीक
तो उसका प्रीमियम हमारे आगे जनरेशन उठाएगी, हम तो उठा नहीं पाए, हम तो पे करेंगे। उससे अच्छा है आप एफडी कराएं, जो उसका आता है। लाइफ इंश्योरेंस है, मुझे समझ नहीं आया अभी तक।
Someone will be benefited after, in case of my death.
I think this is at this point of time I feel कि आपके पास होना बहुत important है, because if you don't love your life, I don't think कि आप अपने आप से प्यार करो, तो you must have.
Do you have life insurance?
Yes.
Yeah, I do.
I do have this.
You do have
है मेरे पास, पर वो मेरे पिताजी संभालते हैं उसको।
इंश्योरेंस। तो जैसे लाइफ इंश्योरेंस होता है, आप उसको प्रोटेक्शन की तरह देखते हैं या फिर इन्वेस्टमेंट की तरह?
Protection.
Protection.
As protections.
So do you think young people often avoid buying life insurance?
I guess because because I don't think so that people plan that well in advance, and that is why I feel that people, because it's a very big decision. Initially, I think people think that thinking of buying a life insurance is a big deal, but I feel that it should be very obvious when it comes to starting getting like separated from your family and starting your own career and planning your own finances. And I think that's important that you have a life insurance.
Yes, they do. I think that's the mistake everyone has done. Even I never
What could
realized
be the
that.
reason?
When you are young, you are supposed to commit mistakes, and that is how I'll put it. Because maturity only comes with age, and so is experience. So I can't expect the young generation to have that much maturity and like how life can go right, wrong, whatever.
लाइफ इंश्योरेंस आजकल लोग ऐसे ही मतलब अगर आप जैसे आपने ले रखा है लाइफ इंश्योरेंस, तो लाइफ इंश्योरेंस ऐसी चीज़ है जो आपको बाद में भी ले सकते हैं आप, या फिर जितना जल्दी हो सके उतना जल्दी?
लाइफ इंश्योरेंस जितना हो जल्दी हो उतनी जल्दी होना चाहिए.
As soon as possible. I think once you are earning, you are 21 or at max. Once you are married or kids, make sure you have good life insurances.
What would you choose from term insurance, endowment plans, ULIPs or SIP?
I think both. Yeah, SIP plus like life insurance.
Okay.
Probably SIP is something that I've heard of. Yeah, I think it's low risk, but I'm not sure.
Pure term insurance.
For life insurance, it's obviously term.
And at what age do you think people should start investing, and what would be the reason?
Well, people should start investing from the age of 30. This is my personal view. Because 20 to 30 is the age when you should not bother much about research. Just try everything possible in the world. Just try, make mistakes, go with the flow. Once you're 30, I mean, life is at the end of the day. It's a limited validity that you have. So once you're 30, make sure that you are moving in next step of your life for a little bit with more cushion and safety and security. So start investing once you're 30 for sure.
Right.
24. Like after 18. Yeah. So I think जितना अर्लियर आप इन्वेस्ट करते हो स्टार्ट उतना अच्छा आपका पोर्टफोलियो बहुत ही जल्दी मिल जाता है. So that's why I feel कि आप जितना जल्दी इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हो.
As soon as they get their first paycheck, made it can be 500 rupees, it can be 5,000. Start as soon as it is possible for them.
Thank you.
Thank you.